Okay, so magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and eto nga po 'no, mag-update po tayo patungkol sa LA na ito nga po 'no, nagsalita na naman itong si Dean Chase. Siya po yung, matapang na lalaki sa LA na naglantad 'no, patungkol sa nangyari kay, Tantoco 'no, na kung saan ay, dawit nga daw di umano etong si, Madam Lisa. So ito nga po 'no, may kakilakilabot po siyang kwento ngayon, bago lang po, about dito sa kanyang, in-expose. Kung matatandaan niyo po, ma-in-expose po siyang mga documents, at saka audio, pinakita po niya mismo sa screen. And then kahit hindi po niya pinarinig yung audio, kinuwento naman niya kung ano yung laman ng audiong yon. So narito po yung video, panoorin po natin.
There's tayong laki na tutanan kasi gawa tayo ko nagkaroon na palipost ng update. Supposedly, I was supposed to post my update yesterday. However, I was on the road and then pag nagadiiba, so nangitan na lang ko paging makakita ko ka nagkuhan secure na lugar.
Kaya pala siya na late mag-upload dahil naghahanap pa siya ng secure na lugar.
So, morning, napagpusulot sa hotel namin at the city na po. And thank you so much to the family who offered their home for me to stay in. However, hindi ko ganahan na mabutang mo sa alanganin, so I opted to stay in a hotel instead. Salamat kayo daw. Now, let's get right on it, no? Nakita daw ng email from the Archives Department sa police.
So may natanggap na siyang email from the police department.
Naglibog ko sa content sa email, kaya as you know, I have already acquired.
So nalilito siya sa content ng email. Naglibog means nalilito po.
Documents, complete account of what had happened on the 8th of March. Itong hita po dito, no? So, nagkakaroon itong email yung heading kay response letter. O niya, naibong ko kay, babasahan ako na dito yung kanang content sa letter, no? So
nakatanggap siya ng email, response letter daw, nakalagay. Tapos nagtataka daw siya sa email na yon.
Kasi ibong ko kasabot, sibot pasabot ang response letter. So, akong itawagan akong contact. Nagtatrabaho sa archives.
So, may contact pala siya na nagtrabaho sa archives, no? Sa police department. Kaya tinawagan daw niya kaagad yun. Kasi nga, nagtataka daw siya kung bakit ganun yung heading ng email.
Sa police department. Nagkaroon, saan nila magtawag?
May contact pala talaga siya sa police department, ano? Ibig sabihin, yung audio na ni-reveal niya ay totoo pala talaga yun.
Get to makonect. Get makontak. Automatically directed ko sa voicemail.
So tinawagan niya yung contact niya sa police department, hindi raw makontak.
So, nagalakan ako.
Nagtataka na siya at nag-worried.
Calling that person directly, itawag niya dito sa kuhan, sa archives, para check if okay bang tanan. So ito, pinagpiyasan pa kayo, pagkuhan ako, tawag na ko na nito, pagpiyasan pa kayo, what can I help you, blah, blah, blah.
So, nung una daw ay may sumagot sa kanyang tawag, pleasant daw ang datingan.
Yeah. Tawagan ako, if I can talk to the person, katong akong contact. Yeah, dito na, nausap ang tono niya. Yung ikat,
So, bigla daw naiba yung tono. Naging ano raw, parang nagagalit.
What is it exactly that you need? What information do you need? Bunta ka paspas sa kayo? Hindi ko na, this is pertaining to an incident that had occurred on the 8th of March on a Saturday. Yeah, kapag ko niya, ano din siya na, who is this? This is Dean Chase. Yeah, ano din siya na, did you receive a response letter? Yes, I have received a response letter, and this is actually what the call is about, and asking what the letter is. What does it mean? Yes, well, whatever is inside that letter is our final statement on the matter. Well, I guess just it, I don't know what it means. Ikata sa kunya, na din siya na, whatever is in the response letter is our final statement.
Nako.
Bunta ako. Ano ko, shit? Ano, unsa to? Unsa? Na? Na-shock ito kay Digito in ato ilang response. Usually, they're really friendly. And for some reason, suko, murag na bunta kayong tingog.
Nagagalit daw. No? Nagagalit daw yung kausap niya sa police department.
Siguro mo na mag-usap sa akong kasama niya. ang response letter na ako na-receive sa morning. It has a date, my complete name, my physical address, my email address, and morning. Regarding Public Records Act request CRM-25-408, Dear the Chase, this letter is in response to your California Public Records Act CPRA submitted and requesting any records from an incident that had occurred on the 8th of March 2025 in Beverly Hills. The Beverly Hills Police Department, BHPD, has determined that the request in part seeks copies of public records in BHPD's possession. The records you are requesting are part of an investigatory file and a record pertaining to an investigation by law enforcement under CPRA Government Code Section 7923.600 exempts and therefore does not require the disclosure of any records, complaints to, or investigations conducted by any local police agency or any investigatory or security files compiled by any local police agency for law enforcement purposes. Sincerely. So, na-shock you too. So, I think they don't know that I am in possession of the first document that they have sent me. I think they don't know. Because right now it says that they do not require to disclose any information anymore. I hope
Papadisclose yung information? Baka nabayaran. Baka lang ha, baka.
hindi na po siya makontak, guys. Hindi na po siya makontak. Mag-direct siya sa voice.
Patay, magtago ka na. Delikado ang buhay mo din, Chase. Grabe. Continue natin.
So I think this is what I think had happened, no? Since I've been really vocal, this incident is actually public records by request. So we have a nabalaka video sa mga kontak. I'm proudly gonna drop by dito when I get the chance na makabalik ko balik sa city.
Nabalaka, guys, means nag-worried po siya.
Ako niya to siyang bisitahan ko. I think this is what happened.
Nag-worried po siya sa kanyang contact. No, baka ano ang ginawa. Dahil yung contact po niya sa police department, yun po ang nag-leak. Yun po ang nagbigay yata sa kanya ng information, mga documents, patungkol po kay F. Elisa.
I think that department had received an onslaught of requests for that record or document. And I think they have realized the gravity of the situation and they
Tama.
might have looked into it and have probably found out how serious the situation is. So yeah, I think I might have probably gotten someone in trouble.
Naku,
So this
kawawa naman yung contact mo doon sa loob. Baka na paano na yon. Sana hindi mo na lang in-expose muna, no? Di ba, guys?
is what's been happening, you guys. Moni sila. This is the kind of people that we are dealing with. Okay? This is the kind of people that we are dealing with. This is no longer the Duterte versus the Marcoses. This is now the Marcoses versus the Filipino people. Please, guys, ihawhag tamong tanan. Please, karon focus sa local election.
Tama.
Sa local government.
Focus muna tayo sa local election. Ayan sila po ang iboto natin, guys. Ipanalo po natin sila. Kaya lang problema, guys, baka magkaroon ng dayaan ngayong election. Yun po ang problema natin ngayon.
Pilion nato ang mga tao na wala ga support sa bangag administration, ha. Pilion nato ang kanang mga tao nga makatabang gyud nato kay karon. Grabe kaayo ang panghitabo diha sa Pilipinas. I really don't know why it boggles my mind. It blows my mind why these public officials are supporting the Bangag administration when they know that everyone knows what's going on in the Philippines right now. Everyone knows what's going on with the administration. It blows my mind why these public officials are supporting them. Please, for the love of God, use your vote, use your power, use your voice. Please. In taon utang buot, ayaw ninyo suportae ang nagsupport sa Bangag administration.
Yun po guys, nakiusap po siya na vote straight po, PDP laban. Focus daw po muna tayo ngayon sa local election. Ang problema nga guys, may mga nag-leak ngayon no, na mga parapinalya dito sa Davao. Kung napapanood nyo, i-research nyo lang po. Nangyari po yan kahapon. No? Tinago po sa isang bahay, yung parapinalya na yon na kahina-hinala na pati dito sa Davao ay magkaroon yata ng dayaan. Baka ang mangyayari, ang mananalo po dito bilang isang mayor ay si Nograles. Kaya babantayan po natin yan. Dahil 100% talaga guys na magkaroon po talaga ng dayaan. So yun lang po guys, no? And ano po ang masasabi nyo sa video ito? Comment down below lang po.